Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as promised, today I'm gonna make my famous keto cheesecake brownies. So if you are practicing a ketogenic lifestyle or you just wanna watch your carbs, stay tuned because this is the video for you. Let's bake some brownies.
All right, so this recipe is pretty simple, and at the end, you will have delicious sugar-free cheesecake brownies. All you'll need for this recipe is a package of keto fudge brownie mix, 3/4 cup melted butter, 3 large eggs, an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 1/3 cup alternative sugar sweetener. My sugar of choice is the powdered monk fruit, and a teaspoon vanilla extract. I will list the full recipe down below in the description box. All right, so the first thing you want to do is get your mixing bowl and empty out the packet of keto fudge brownie mix within that bowl. Once you've added the brownie mix, go ahead and add in the melted butter. And then you're going to add in your 3 eggs. So this recipe doesn't need a lot of mixing in order to incorporate all of the ingredients. So just add in all 3 eggs and then just mix it enough so all the ingredients are fully blended, but try not to over mix it. Also, go ahead and use a spatula to bring down any of the ingredients that might still be stuck on the side of your bowl. Once everything is fully mixed, just go ahead and use the spatula or a spoon to go through the mixture to make sure that it is well mixed and not lumpy. Next, go ahead and fill your greased brownie pan with the fudge mixture. I'm using a non-stick pan, which I got from Amazon, and it holds about 12 brownies. So this fudge mixture is not a lot, so I'm just making sure that I get enough mixture in each of the section. Once you add in the cheesecake portion, it'll fill them up a little bit more, but for the most part, you just want to make sure that each section has enough fudge to go around. No drop gets left behind, so I'm cleaning this bad boy out. Place the brownie pan to the side. We're going to start the cheesecake portion. Go ahead and add in your 8 ounce of cream cheese. I like to make sure that my cream cheese is room temperature because it just blends a lot easier. Then you're going to add in your sugar substitute. And again, my sugar of choice is the monk fruit erythritol in the powdered blend. Then you're going to add in a couple teaspoons of vanilla. This recipe also calls for salt. However, I don't use the salt because to me, the fudge mix is already pretty salty. All right, once you've added all the ingredients, go ahead and blend everything together. You want to make sure that it's smooth and fluffy and that all of that powdered sugar, all of the vanilla, everything is blended well within the cream cheese. Keep mixing until the mixture looks nice and fluffy. And right now it looks pretty blended to me. Now I'm just going to make sure that I scrape down the sides of the bowl to make sure that there's no clumps of sugar or cream cheese that haven't been mixed. Now go ahead and add a spoonful of the cream cheese mixture to the fudge mixture that was previously prepared. Now for the fun part, go ahead and use a fork or a toothpick to blend in the cream cheese mixture to the fudge mixture to give it a marble effect. Finally, go ahead and place your brownies in a oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. And there you have it, delicious, keto, sugar-free cheesecake brownies. If you enjoyed this recipe, go ahead and hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. Thanks so much for watching.